come around to say hello. One-on-one, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you, it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
Anand Ranganathan is laughing there. Anand Ranganathan, your Mysore Park brother is laughing there. Anand Ranganathan, why are you laughing? Just because Waris Pathan Bhai had to apologize for saying Ganpati Bappa Moria, is that what is making you laugh? He respects all religions, he's saying.
10 years back, kindly rewind them 10 years back, yeah.
अभी पठान साहब प्लीज डिस्टर्ब मत करिए, देखिए रोजा का टाइम है, थैंक यू। अभी नाविका, गुड इवनिंग फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टू यू एंड माय फेलो पैनलिस्ट। अभी व्हाट्सएप आया पठान साहब से, ही इज वेलकमिंग सौगाते मोदी, कह रहे हैं मेरे कुर्ते पजामे फट चुके हैं, अब नया कुर्ता पजामा मिलने वाला है मोदी जी से, तो ही इज थैंकफुल टू हिम। अब पता नहीं ऑन एयर क्या बोल रहे हैं, नो बट let me come to the topic, because it's an important topic, Navika, and thank you for raising it. BJP does not remove this propaganda very well. It leaves it to others, perhaps for reason known only to itself. But on the biggest accusation against Modi, that he's anti-minority, here is the hard data. Minorities before 2014, 20,000 skill trained, 5% with government jobs, 3 crore scholarships, 70% girls school dropout rate. Minorities after 2014, 2 million skill trained, 10% with government jobs, 5 crore scholarships, free UPSC coaching, 30% school dropout rate. In fact, Modi has given scholarships to more Muslims than Manmohan Singh did. Has Modi reduced AMU funding? No, in fact, he has increased it, including a 90 crore topping up, while our Muslim population is 14.2%. As many as 31.3% of homes under Awas Yojana, 33% of funds under Kisan Samman Nidhi, 36% beneficiaries of Mudra Ajay have been Muslims. Pradhan Mantri Shadi Shagun scheme, exclusively for Muslims girls who complete their graduation before marriage. They will get 51,000, no questions asked. Housing, skilling, scholarships, government job. No other prime minister has comparatively done more for Muslims than Modi. And as for the two arguments always forwarded, that BJP doesn't have Muslim MPs, and so one, BJP hates Muslims, and two, Muslim citizens are ignored. By that logic, the Congress does not have any homosexual MPs. So does it hate homosexuals? And two, Owaisi is a Muslim MP. So does he ignore the Hindus of his constituencies? Kahan tak lege jao ye? Finally, and this is very important. Let us look at the condition of Muslims in a state that has never been ruled by the BJP. And what data you have? Waris Pathan साहब, देखिए मैंने आपको इंटरप्ट नहीं किया. This is very, Navika, this is very unfair.
What is the source which says that Congress does not have any homosexual MP? No, I'm just asking for my knowledge. Sir, I want to have knowledge. I want to increase my knowledge. You have said that the Congress does not have any homosexual MPs. Kindly enlighten us. Kindly enlighten us on that subject, sir.
Not only,
you are a scientist. We want to learn from you, sir.
Not only I am claiming. Waris Pathan sahab, are you a Muslim or not? Yes or no? You are a Muslim. Is Owaisi a Muslim MP?
What do you feel? I am a proud Indian Muslim, sir. I am a proud Indian Muslim, and you are my friend.
मैं मान रहा हूँ भाई, भले you are the grandson of अब मैं नाम ले लेना चाहता हूँ उनका, लेक पटेल जी, लेकिन मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि अगर कोई होमोसेक्सुअल एमपी है कांग्रेस का, वो डिक्लेयर नहीं किया है. Owaisi says he's a Muslim MP because he's Muslim. Now, does AIMIM have any homosexual MPs? आप बताएंगे ना? आपने नहीं बताया, इसका मतलब नहीं है, वरना आप डंके की चोट पे कहते हैं कि हमारे
homosexual MPs who's a tiger. We have only one MP now. Asaduddin Owaisi is a tiger.
Exactly. And now let me expose you. You have one MP out of 543 Lok Sabha MP positions. You have one MP, but you claim to be the representative of all Muslims across India, and you call Modi a Muslim hater, despite the fact that Modi has done so much for Muslims that no other prime minister has done before.